Mike Barlin from NGT Caliper Covers. Today we're going to do a quick install, caliper cover install on a 2018 Ford F150. We'll do the front first. I'm going to show our new snap clip design, and then we'll go to the rear. The special thing about this truck is that it has the electric parking brake. I'll show you the difference on that when we get to the rear. Do the front. We have the snap clip, which is going to just snap right into place here. So just place it right above the rotor, and then pull this down and it'll snap into place. And you'll see that it's snapped in on this side, and then pull the clip all the way towards the front. Same technique on the bottom. The longer leg will be the one that goes underneath the caliper and right over the rotor. And once I get it in place, just snap it down, and it's in place. Now we can install the caliper cover. That's it. Nice and tight. Reinstall the wheel, and you have a good looking caliper behind the wheel. Now we're on the rear of the 2018 F150. It's got a unique clip. In fact, I'll show you in just a second how this clip goes on. But what you want to look for in your F150 is they come with two different rear calipers. One's a manual emergency brake, and the second one is an electric emergency brake. The way to tell easily whether you have a manual or electric is you look on your dash to the lower left hand corner of your dash, and you'll see a button there for pushing it for the electric parking brake. Now with the rear cover on the F150, you'll see it has two holes. One hole is for the manual and the other hole is for the electric. That way it'll fit either. The difference will be the clip. This clip is for the electric. Now this clip goes on a little differently. In fact, it's not going over the rotor. It's behind the dust shield back here on the casting. So you see that width right here. It's going to go on the casting right there. And you just push it forward and it snaps into place. Do the same thing for the bottom of the caliper. And so it's locked into position because it's grabbing on each side of the casting. And then put the caliper cover on. For the electric brake, it'll be the back hole. If you're installing the manual brake with different clips, it'll be the front hole. Alright, as simple as that. Now you have a good looking caliper.